Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we help you simplify your mobile life with easy-to-follow guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export all text messages from Android Google Messages so you can keep your important conversations safe. So now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 is to download the SMS Backup and Restore app from the Google Play Store. Step 2 involves opening the app and enabling all the requested permissions. Step 3 is to tap on the Set Up a Backup button found on the main dashboard. Step 4 requires you to select messages and then tap Next to proceed. Step 5 is to select where you would like to save the backup and then tap Next. Step 6 is to set your recurring backups or toggle the option off and tap Backup Now. Step 7 involves tapping on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top left of the interface. Step 8 is to select the Export from Backups option from the menu list. Step 9 requires you to tap on the specific file that you want to export. Step 10 is to tap on the Export button to initiate the conversion. Step 11 is to select where you want to export the file and then click Save. Step 12 involves selecting the specific conversation thread that you want to save. Step 13 is to then open the exported file using the Chrome browser. Step 14 is an alternative where you can select print from backups and save the file as a PDF. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips